What's going on? It's Sport. Welcome back to Kill for Sport. Call of Duty World War II. You guys have asked multiplayer. I'm jumping in. Pause. I know I'm gonna get my ass kicked, but hell, it's for fun. Gotta start somewhere. So you guys have asked for it. I'm jumping in multiplayer. Hopefully I get good at this, and then of course for future multiplayer gameplays I'll send out a tweet. Everyone knows my my gamer tag already. I'm hoping. If not, I might share it with you again. If not, you're gonna have to go back to some of my previous gameplays to find it. I've mentioned it before in the past, but if you just watch a gameplay, you might see it. All right, so here we go. Don't make fun of me if I die a lot. Okay? Here we go. Oh boy. Oh. Okay.
Team Deathmatch. Eliminate all Axis forces.
Can I go? Oh, we gotta wait. All right. My bad. I didn't see the countdown. I just saw the countdown now. I was wondering why it was black and white, but now I see it. Let's go.
Bring the war to them and bring it home.
Deathmatch. I picked infantry in case you guys were wondering. So let's see how this is all about.
By the tank!
I just want to be. I just want to get ready. Oh, someone just got murked. What the maneuver?
Sticky bomb!
Damn.
I need covering fire!
Come on, you need cover and fire. I need to see some cover. Where's that motherfucker?
At the fallen
Where you guys going? I'm gonna follow you. You look like you know what you're doing. I got your back.
He's leaving cover!
Whoa. Ah! All right, here we go. Make this shit fast. Woo! I saw that guy. I'm all up in his ass. Oh! All up in the culo.
He's covering fire! Enemies on the
Fuck
bridge!
that shit. Ah! Man! Obviously, these guys have been playing it a hell of a lot longer than I have, so.
I need covering fire! Need another bandolier!
What you doing, man? Did you find them? Where they at? Ooh, what's that?
Enemies down!
I don't like the camp though. That's the thing about this multiplayer shit. I hated people when they camped. Like on Halo, I'm old school, alright? But I hate people that just camp and just take easy kills and shit. Like, fucking fight, play, have fun.
Tossing the grenade!
Toss that grenade, bitch! Alright, these motherfuckers are hiding.
Need another bandolier!
Alright, we got that guy. Or someone got him. Alright, where are they? Where are they? Oh, get him! Oh, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna get that bitch. I know where you is. Oh, I think I got an assist point, didn't I? I threw a grenade and shit.
Enemy recon aircraft!
Ah! Oh, man.
Welcome them on it!
Oh! Oh! I see you! I'm gonna act real stupid in this. Alright, go.
Yo, I need ammo!
Your mama need ammo. Yeah, I got one! I got one! Woo! I ain't tossing shit! Uh-oh. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? I got you! Ha-ha! Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh! I got you! I'm on a motherfucking kill streak! Yo, whoever's snorting and sneezing and shit, sucking up boogers, blow your nose.
In the bunker!
In the block at. What are you at? God damn, did he just fart
They're pushing down the road!
during the gameplay? Blew one out of your ass? Oh. I'm just shooting. No! Man! Okay, I didn't see you. That's okay.
In the creek!
Spotted near the half track.
What's the half track?
He's a goner.
Is that like a gas station?
Oh, what a little bitch.
Right? You know what I'm saying? What a little bitch. B.I.B.I.
Throwing grease grenade.
Alright, they're not behind us. Those guys are going down. Pause. Oh, Bubba! I got you, son. I got you, huh?
Throwing grenade.
Alright. Oh, I saw that other guy. I am not going that way. I'm gonna go the other way.
Hell of a shot.
Did I get him? I don't think so. I didn't see the score or shit. Damn!
Recon airborne.
I had the aim on point, but he was just too fast. Respect. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go the other way. Someone's shooting at me. I've been feeling someone shooting. I got you! Ha ha! Trying to creep. Hopping and jumping and shit. Motherfucker. Be doing hopping and jumping. What you think you are, a cat? Fuck you shooting. Reload. Thank you. Chill, bro. Chill. Ah! Oh, he got me. He got me. That was good. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. He was smart. He waited. Damn. How in the shit? I got you. I think I meleeed him. I'm not 100% sure. The other guy killed him. How do we lose?
Come back. What the hell happened out there?
What the f? Oh! Ah, la, 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 la. Man. Alright, well, I mean, that was cool, right? No? I got a couple kills, guys. Alright, so, quick gameplay, just to show you guys how to play multiplayer. Thumbs up if you like it. It's fast, it's intense. I actually enjoyed it. Seemed pretty fun. I don't like that camping shit though, so thumbs up, tell me if I should play it again. If you see your gamer tag on this shit, if you happen to watch my gameplays, thank you very much. So I'll see you guys next time.